सुनील शेट्टी आप कुछ करेंगे, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं मिलन रुथेरिया को? ये आई डोंट नो डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे या डुबा रहे थे बच्चों को, मुझे नहीं पता, बाद में मुझे मत कहिएगा, आप कंट्रोल इनका है। आई मीन इफ आई वाज इंटरव्यूइंग अ पॉलिटिशियन मैं तो क्लास ले लेती।
नहीं, लेकिन एक अच्छी बात मैंने क्योंकि मैंने फिल्म देखी है तो मुझे ये पता है कि सिखाया उनको बहुत अच्छा है, भले ही थोड़े स्ट्रिक्ट मास्टर रहे, गुरु है।
What you want to say is sadistic master रहे।
के यो ब्रदर डायरेक्टर्स ने, हाँ, लेकिन कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है ना, इसमें टैलेंट उभर के निकल आता है। स्ट्रिक्ट है, मैंने पहले से ही कहा था आहान को कि ही इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बट ही विल ब्रिंग द बेस्ट आउट इन यू। तो एज अ फादर आई हैव नो कंप्लेंट्स, क्योंकि कभी कभी आहान मेरी नहीं सुनता तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं
दो सेडिस्ट
always listen to you।
दो सेडिस्ट, आई एम सॉरी, अगर आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए था पिताजी से तो सपोर्ट तो आ नहीं रहा है। अब एक की जगह दो सेडिस्ट से आप बात कर रहे हैं।
मैं उनकी मदर की तरफ से भी बोलूंगा कि उनके भी मुझे एक दो बार फोन आया कि हमारी नहीं सुनता है, आप
अच्छा,
हाँ, you tell him what you want, you
बेटा
do what you
तुम्हारा
want।
तो फ्यूचर पहले से ही तय
He
था।
doesn't listen to us।
हाँ, so I think
And I know because my daughter also doesn't listen to me, but she listens to her coach।
okay, so you know where they're all coming from। Well, I belong to the parents club, so I have no quarrel with any of them. In case you thought that I was going to side with you, I will side with the parents।
I thought you would।
But पढ़ाई की बाहर, I'm told you're a trained ballet dancer, you're a singer, professional singer, and you do the opera। थोड़ा सा कुछ for the audiences?
I would have honestly loved to. In fact, we were just
मेरा
chatting
गला
about
खराब है।
it. No, not kharab. It's just we've literally been promoting every day, so I do have a scratchy throat. But
That's okay।
आप उसके लिए मैगी मंगाइए, immediately आपका first take okay हो जाएगा।
मैगी तो है नहीं, ग्रीन टी है।
no, honestly, next time I promise. Next time I promise.
थोड़ा सा ऑपरा नहीं तो अपनी फिल्म का ही कोई गाना।
Oh gosh, never sung any of the songs. I promise you, next time.
No, next
Please,
time,
please,
next
please.
film, you know, long time, you have to hum something for our audiences।
Okay. English में या हिंदी में?
Anything।
हम तेरे से without words। It's easy। Easier than the others।
I feel like I shouldn't sing a song from the film because I don't want to ruin it because I've never sung before.
Whatever you like।
Okay. Oh gosh, completely blank. I don't know what to sing. Okay, I'll just sing an old Hindi song. Just 2-3 lines of an older Hindi song.
Most welcome।
Okay. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से। So just 2 lines from Lag Jaye। You love this song as well?
Absolutely। वो कौन थी? वो कौन थी?
Every evening I was asking them to come and meet me for dinner, to come and sit with me।
ये young
on
people
a
है, क्यों बोर
bonfire।
कर रहे हैं आप इन्हें?
I have a story।
Milan, I mean,
I have a
why-
story for this।
I mean, why would they have dinner with you?
If I knew she could sing like this, then I would ask her to sing।
Absolutely, that's the reason। That's the reason। आप उनसे अगर साधना और मनोज कुमार की फिल्म के गाने गवाएंगे, क्यों आएंगे वो आपके पास? They do their own thing।
Ahan has something to say।
There was this one time where so whenever we used to finish shooting, I used to go to my room and I used to work out. And Milan sir's room was right below my room. So I was blasting music and working out and dropping the dumbbells and all. So Milan sir thought I was having a party upstairs. So he came with his drink and everything, walked in, opened the door. He's like, what the hell is going on here? He's like, I thought it was a party. He left and he just turned around and walked in, left the room.
I couldn't believe that after 12 hours of shooting, he was working out and like focusing. I thought they're having a good time. I'm going to join Gate Crash।
And here I thought he was the strict one।
He's not strict at all.
Not at all.
On set, he's not
Not
strict
with
at
us,
all.
yeah.
I didn't need to be, honestly। I mean, jokes apart, you know, they're both very, very talented।
Well, we're looking forward to Tadap, and we do hope that you get the same goodwill that Anna got, and Anna is a favorite, has been the favorite of the masses when he was doing active films. And, somewhere the goodwill will exist. And of course, talent and new talent is always welcome. But as I always say, ये जो public है, ये सब जानती है. So public क्या कहेगी, इसका इंतजार रहेगा. लेकिन आप सबको बहुत 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 शुभकामनाएं. Best of luck for your first release, and we do hope you go places. Nepotism, star kids, all of this will continue to happen, but all the very best from all of us here. And my PCR there is also saying all the best to all of you into my ear, and all the people here who are waiting for your film to be released in the theaters, saying the very best of luck to both of you, Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria, Milan Luthria, and of course to you, Sunil Shetty. All the very best to you and to Mana Shetty. We hope the film does wonders, and we hope everybody's children do well, especially when they take their first steps forward.